vlog. Oh, hi vlog. Hi vlog.
Hi, vlog. Hi guys! Welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina, and for today's video, samahan niyo ako na mag-dine-in ulit sa isang Korean resto, or should I say, Samgyeopsalan here in Malolos, Bulacan. And ngayon lang kasi ulit ako nakapag-dine-in. And ayun, tara samahan niyo ako. And also, when eating to public places, make sure to follow their safety protocols. By the way, this is an overdue vlog and hope you like it, guys. Ay na kami, first time kong mag-dine in. And samgyup. Wala naman na. Ay, isa mo. Nangingi niya. Bigyan niyo ka. Kumakain siya sa BF. Makaring ka. Tapos namin kumain. Pauwi na kami. Bakit lang hair ko bigla nag-fly away? Inalis mo. So, punta kami ng Rob Supermarket. Hello? Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Please do like and subscribe. Bye!